Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be making a video with respect to this question on my channel. The question says, let's look at the question here. Look at the question. Okay. The question says, I love your post, but my question is that how to detect the coin that has been robbed, meaning the coin that will soon be removed. Okay, this is the question. So as you all know, there are a lot of cryptocurrency coins that are not doing well in the market, or the app or the exchange are no longer interested in them because of their poor performance. Then they will choose to remove those cryptocurrency coin. And what if you are holding this coin and the coin will be removed soon? What will you do? Okay, let's quickly dive into that. The first thing you must understand with this app is that each time you're trading a particular currency coin, you must always be watchful. You must always keep checking on this particular cryptocurrency coin. Okay, so that you actually know what exactly is going on with that particular cryptocurrency coin you are holding. All right, but one thing first, no exchange will delist any cryptocurrency coin without notification. Okay, without what? Without notification. So on that occasion, you must always go to check your notification button. Okay, come to check the notification bell, click on it. If you click on it, each coin that will be delisted soon, it will be displayed here. You will be informed. Okay, as you see in any of those notification here, you will also be notified before each coin or before any cryptocurrency coin will be delisted. You will be notified. All right, okay, that is one. The second one I want to show you is that each time you see any cryptocurrency coin with a sign ST, okay, with an ST sign like this, it's a red flag. It is a sign that that cryptocurrency coin is doing very poor in the market, and to that effect, the exchange are deciding to remove this cryptocurrency coin. That is, they are no longer going to be engaging with it or going to be doing business with that cryptocurrency coin. Okay, you can see each time you keep checking, you can see a lot of coin showing this ST. You can see this one too, Agla. So if you're holding this Agla, then it's time for you to run away. Okay, so then you can still keep watching. You can see APRS. You can see APRS. APRS also is no longer doing well in the market. It's no longer welcomed. Okay, it will soon be delisted. So if you are holding this particular coin, then prepare to run away. Okay, but the fact that those coins are delisted does not mean that your cryptocurrency, your USDT is gone. No. In most cases, each time a particular cryptocurrency coin is being delisted, your money will be converted to USDT automatically or to BTC. You can just go in there and take up your fund. Okay, so as long as you're trading any cryptocurrency coin, you must be careful and also be watchful so that you will not lost your entire cryptocurrency coin, or you will not lost your USDT on the process. Okay, so that is it. I do hope that your question is being answered. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning of this very video to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.